हाय एमईओ क्लास 2 एस्पिरेंट, आई थिंक सो एमईओ क्लास 2 एग्जाम्स देना सोच रहे हैं या फिर अभी क्लास 4 किया है और अब क्लास 2 के बारे में धीरे धीरे दिमाग में चल रहा है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एमईओ क्लास 2 एग्जाम्स. लेट अस नो अ बिट अबाउट देम. सो 6 रिटन एग्जाम्स अगेन. मरीन इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज जनरल एग्जाम, मरीन इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज मोटर. जनरल का एग्जाम होगा, मोटर का एक एग्जाम होगा. मरीन इलेक्ट्रो टेक्नोलॉजी 1 एग्जाम, मरीन इंजीनियरिंग प्रैक्टिस 1 एग्जाम, नेवल आर्किटेक्चर 1 एग्जाम, शिप सेफ्टी एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन केयर दैट इज सेफ्टी एग्जाम 1 एग्जाम. So total 6 written exams. Out of 100 marks, 50% is compulsory for passing. Copied? In the next video, I'll talk about tips and tricks to clear those written exams. But these are the 6 written exams that you are going to give. Next, 4 orals you are going to give. Function 3 is naval architecture and safety, controlling the operation of the ship and caring for persons on board. So ये function 3 का नाम है. Function 4b is marine engine knowledge, motor and general, 1 oral. Function 5 is marine electrotechnology, electrical. फंक्शन 6 इज मरीन इंजीनियरिंग प्रैक्टिस. तो ये 4 ओरल्स रहेंगे. पासिंग परसेंटेज इज 60% ओवर हियर. सो यू आर गिविंग दिस ओरल्स अबव 60%. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता, पास. सो वंस यू क्लियर दिस 6 रिटर्न्स एंड दिस 4 ओरल्स, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी, you get MEO class 2 COC. So out here, if you take out from the DD shipping website, so this is what is given for MEO class 2 part A. This is not important, mechanic. So because we are not talking about MEO class 2 part A, we are talking MEO class 2 part B. We are going to talk about this exam, that is general. This is motor. Then we are talking about electrotechnology written. Then we are talking marine practice written. Then we are talking naval architecture written. Then we are talking about safety written. So written में 3 घंटे का एग्जाम, 100 marks, maximum passing rate is 50. So around 9 questions comes, you have to attempt 6 questions. ठीक है, अच्छे से करो. In next video, I'm going to talk about tips and tricks and what all things you have to remember, what I remembered during my time. So apart from that, orals. So general motor का एक ही oral you can see over here. 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. Electrical technology 1 oral, 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. MEP 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. And similarly for safety, 100 marks, 60 marks is the passing percentage. जो लोग MEO class 4 part A दिया, then part B दिया, then they are giving MEO class 2 part A, they have to go for these exams as well. No oral for that. So I hope this is done. Now guys, 3 things. If you want to find out whether you are eligible for MEO class 2 or not, go to Merchant Educated website, go to eligibility calculator, go to MEO class eligibility calculator, check over there, fill your details whether you are eligible for MEO class 2 or not. First thing. Second thing is, if you want all the videos related to MEO class 2, tips, tricks, what kind of questions come, anything and everything, assessment process, checklist, everything, then a free course, MEO class 2 course has been launched on the Merchant Educated website. Link is in the description box as well as the pinned comment. Watch those videos, you'll find all the information that you need. Remember, knowledge is the key to open the lock to success. Last but not the least, MEO class 4 package is there already at Merchant Educated, which will help you prepare for MEO class 4 exams. MEO class 1 package is already there, which will help you prepare for MEO class 1 exams. We are in the process of preparing MEO class 2 package. All in all, I can say is, if the link is in the description box or in the pinned comment for MEO class 2 package, go ahead and check it out. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.